Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
how do you pass your all day long? Please.
Thanks for your asking. Actually, I get up early in the morning. Then I go to washroom and get fresh. Then I say my prayer. Taking breakfast, I go to my study room. And completing study, I ready for my online class. In the evening, I visit round the village. I try to play cricket. Getting back home, I take a cup of tea. Next, I study. Then, after in studying, I go for watch television with parents. At night, I take my dinner with parents and I go to bedroom and that's all.